welcome or welcome back. If you're new here, I'm glad you found me. I go by Zeus Diary online. So, you know what? I was kind of trying to tidy up my guest room slash office, and then I just came to the realization that I have a few bits and pieces to unbox. So, before I start using them, and that I bought especially for the summer, and I just thought let's just do it. And by the way, this is a Hermes related unboxing. Everything that you're gonna see is gonna be nothing. I don't want to say groundbreaking, but to me, especially one piece in particular, is something that I've been hunting for quite a while. When I say hunting, I've been on a hunt for it for at least 2 years and a half-ish. And the thing is, and I kid you not, I had the opportunity to buy it at the price that was right back then, like 3 years ago, and I was like, man, anytime I'm gonna get it. And then now, too late. But anyway, I know that it's gonna be something that's gonna be a heavy rotation for me. So the price increase doesn't really affect me, although it pisses me off because it's one of those items that you cannot get at a discount if you buy it in the secondary market. By the way, I'm not saying that everything Hermes should be inflated, right? Like the Birkins or the Kellys, but anyway, it is what it is. So enough rambling. Let's just start off with the first piece. That is in the box. I can guarantee you that you're not gonna guess what it is. So this is let me show it to you. It's a towel. It's a beach towel, simple, light one. So in yellow and I think kind of etoupish beige color here. So I like it because it's kind of vibrant. So I had the choice between this and the pink and blue one. I'm just going to put some footage here so that you see me looking at it in the store before I got it. So I bought it because I'll be off sailing soon by the end of the month with my family. That's a tradition for us. But on top of it, how would I say, I'm also going to be off before even going sailing with my family for one of my girlies' milestone birthday in Croatia, Dubrovnik. And this is going to be useful because everything that we're going to do is going to be beach themes related. So that's it. So I did not break the bank, but I still paid. And how would I say, this purchase isn't something where I broke the bank, but to be frank, it's something that is going to be useful to me. And I can appreciate that this is debatable whether you should get or not a kind of designer, let's say, beach towel. It makes sense to me because I'm just bougie that way and I'm just a Hermes girly. So this is it. And yeah, by the way, I gifted the same exact beach towel to my friend, so I hope that she's going to enjoy it. So that's number one. Now, number two. Oh, sorry, wrong bag. I'll get the other one. Okay. Here is the other one. So as I said, my girlfriend has the same, so that's hers. Okay. And what's I gonna say? Yeah, that's hers. And also here, the ribbon. I quite like that now. They systematically give you the ribbon where they have like le dessin sous toutes ses formes or drawn to craft as it's translated in English. Do we have it here? Where is it? Yeah, drawn to craft in English because before it used to be just like Hermes Paris. So I think it's cool because people collect it and I'm one of those. So that's that. What else? Yeah, here. Here, guys. This is the plat de résistance, the piece de résistance. And I kid you not, the box is ridiculous for what it is. And it just had me chuckle. And I will explain why. Are you ready for this? I can guarantee you that when you see this box, there's no way on planet Earth you guess what is in there. So let me just come closer to open this so that you see how ridiculously huge the box is. So I've opened the box and it comes in a cushion like this. I'm going to put some other footages there. And all these dramatic box, let me do it this way. All this dramatic box is to reveal the one and only Farandole 160 centimeter necklace. This is it. So it's long, but I wanted it, and I wanted it long that way. So that's that. As I said, the box is ridiculous, but it is what it is. And I have multiple uses in mind for this. Like if you're a Hermes lover, you know how it goes, right? With the Farandole 160 when you get it. So I'm quite pleased that I got it. And yeah, but that was a bit of a splurge, but it's one of those things where I was like, if I don't get it now that I have the means to do so, even if I'm a bit off track based on my official wish list, I'm never going to get it. And it's a piece of jewelry for starters. And as you guys know, if you're not new here, you know that I love my white, gold, silver jewelry and chunky, how they say, jewelry. So this is definitely not going to waste. But again, this box for this is kind of ridiculous. And I just felt like if I were to get the piece that they're not selling at 15k euros, you know, what would they give me?
Yes. With everything, any style.
Yeah.
Style.
White t-shirt, shorts, and all.
Yeah.
So that's how it felt. So folks, that's it. Oh, the other thing as well that I got, but I won't open it, it's a pair of white Oran sandals for my stepdaughter. And that's it, you know, they're the classic ones. I'm not going to open it. I'm just going to put some pictures, and her birthday is coming as well soon. And we just thought that she's not going to look bougie wearing them, and she's really into white or black kind of colors. So this, you know, you can't go wrong with this. So that's that. So we're gifting her that, and also a nice linen shirt with a thick fabric from Coast. It's a vibe, and yeah, for her to just look bougie, right? While we're off sailing as a family. Yeah, that's how we're rolling. That's how we spoil the kids. Yeah, that's it, guys. So again, it's a quickie. I just wanted to get this out of the way because I'll start using them, and I sincerely believe that this guy deserved a little video of its own, right? So here we are, guys. So I'll leave you there, and what else? So that's it, guys. So I'm off now. Bye.